Well guys, finally out down the Brook section. So this is my first time out, bit of a delay. It's actually July. Didn't go out at all after the river season started. I did hear that it was busy on the banks. People that I know was turning up, and there was already fishermen fishing on their favourite peg, even though they went out early in the morning. But so back down here, I thought I'd try the Brook section. Not fished it for a couple of years. The river, it's low, it's only a couple of foot up, so it's just going to be a case of trying to get one or two out fishing the deeper waters, or a few known swims that normally produce a nice medium size barbel. So, but certainly nice to get back out. It is a Monday morning, so I'm hoping it's going to be a bit quiet and I'll get the peg I want. So highs of 15, 18 degrees. So it's going to be a nice day. Showers, we had showers on and off yesterday. The weather can't make up its mind what it's doing. So a couple of showers might get them feeding. But so let's get to the river. So I'm right in one of the upstream pegs on the stretch. I've just come to fish one of my pegs and somebody was in it. So it's happened to me, the curse of somebody already in the peg that you want. So it looks like it's happened to a few people this season. I mean, this is July now. Monday morning, it was just one car in the car park. I thought, now I'll get whatever peg I want. But it's a good thing because I've come further up the stream. And I've picked this peg. It's a bit more steeper, so it's not more accessible. But I've got down it. I'm going to set up here. It's going to be a bit muddy if we have showers later, but I'll just set up here. So there's loads of vegetation. There's a tree, overhanging tree there. There's some depth of water just here, and there's an overhanging tree there down there. So I've got lots of fishes to fish to. I can fish the other side of the river if I need to, but I'll see how we'll get on and get set up. See here in this peg, if the camera's picking it up, it's really quite low. It's probably about half a foot up, if that. You can just see the bottom of the river, and then it comes on a little bit deeper here, but just right there, that is pretty shallow. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put the rods out yet. I'm going to be a bit patient. I'm going to bait the swim little and often. I've got some robin red carp pellets to finish off. I've got a pack of cheesy garlic halibut pellets that I'm just going to sprinkle in little and often just to get some attraction in the swim. And I've got some going with the cheese and garlic. I've got some cheesy garlic dumbbells, hookers, so they're going on the hook. If there's any left after I've just tipped them on the floor. I've got some cheese and garlic paste, so pick them up. So I'm having to go on that. I've got some feeders, new feeders. Got some. I've got some nice wafters just to finish them off, really. And I'm a good quality wafter. And I picked these up when I was carp fishing during the off season. and I might use one of them just to prop it up ever so slightly. Not that it's going to make much difference, the same as a normal bait, but just something I want to experiment with, because they seem like a good quality made smelly bait. So yeah, I'm going to get some of this bait out and have a cup of coffee. Just a few boilies out, sauce boilies, just cut up, get them in the swim, get some attraction in, and then just leave the swim then. And then I'll put my rods out, play the waiting game, and get my rods out in about 45 minutes. Hopefully just bring the fish on with confidence, and then maybe get the hopefully get the barbel feeding and have a decent day, and try and get a few out. Not the favourable conditions. I'd have liked a bit more water on it, but it's still going to be a lovely day on the bank, and the first time out for me, so it's going to be an enjoyable one, and hopefully a couple of barbels to make the session. Still not fishing yet, still baiting the swim little and often. I've got my rods ready to go. I've got my 12-foot corum, and then I've got my small Cordex specimen one with the small Daiwa front drag reel. Absolutely just nice for this stamper fish, 7-8 pounds. So I would go on the 2 rods. So I've just got some ground bait, so I'm just going to put that in balls, small balls, and just prep the swim, give it another half an hour, but I'm ready to fish. But just give it a bit, yeah. Hopefully just get them confident, and then go in with the one rod. So I'm just getting the smaller rod ready. I've just got small 1.5 ounce lead. I've got an anti-tangle sleeve I will normally fish, so it works like a normal running rig, but you can actually put the swivel just onto that tail just to give it a bit of resistance, so when the barbel takes it, it actually acts like a bolt rig and sets the hook, and then it pulls off, and then it just turns into your standard running rig. I don't normally use just a standard running rig. I like that bit of resistance, so it acts like I said, like a bolt rig. So when they take it, it hooks them, then you've got your normal running rig then, and then you just play them. So it's always been quite effective for me. I've got a nice sharp size 10 hook, and then I've got them cheese and garlic, one of them on, one of them little bad boys, and that's going to go over where I've pre-baited, so that one's going out first. So I'm just setting that one up ready, so that one's ready to go. And I'll just place it in the slacks in some of the deeper water. So yeah, and I brought a couple of block end feeders. There's already bait in the swim anyway. I'm not fishing far out. I'm fishing in the slacks, but like I said, there is still a slight flow on it. So that one's ready to go as well. So just lightly packed in the feeder with some sauce boilies. The downstream rod's going out first just to get it out of the way, then the upstream rod just going just the other side of these reeds. So better late than never, first cast of the 2024 river season in July. Bit delayed for me, I didn't have get a chance to go out much, so here we go. Here we go. Just got one on. Oh, he's just woke up. Thought he had a greedy little chub. Yeah, I've just started fishing the other side of the river, just in the shade, and I've put a couple of sprinkles of boilies just in the where the shade is, and the rod went off, but I think it got a bit snagged as well. I've just put a bit of tension on the line, and just a little chub. So keeps feeding that, and that's the other side of the river. So that's interesting, fishing in the shade, because it is quite a bright day. So hopefully where there's chub, there's barbel. So I'll get him rested and back, and keep trickling the boilies the other side of the river now, in where the shade is, because here I've had trouble with the ducks flapping about in a swim. So yeah, I'm trying the other side of the river. 3 canoes have just come down, the first 3 today. So I'm just going to rest the swim over the far side. Couple of boilies, but I'm just going to rest that now because I've probably disturbed it. So fishing this side, rest it over there, and see if I have any more luck when I recast back over the far side of the bank. Just had a right knock on the downstream rod. I went to pick it up and then it just stopped, so might be a chub, but certainly not a barbel. And then I'm back over the other side. So it's looking interesting. They am about, but because of the temperature and the a low river. I'm a bit shy at the moment. A quick recap. I've just got the one downstream, and then I've got the one the other side of the river. I've had it on boilies. I've just got some meat on, recasting out every 20 minutes. But I have seen them along that bank. I've caught a chub from over there. I'm feeding boilies and a bit of meat over there. So I reckon that them over there, but them just a bit not quite taking the bait at the moment. I've had some knocks on this one. Look like chub. So that's the update for now, as we go into the afternoon. That was on there, that meat. I hope it's a barbel. Probably chub. Damn it, chub. Little chub again. Thought that might have been it. A smaller one, this one. A little chub again. That was on meat. The rod went right up in the air. I thought, oh, is it a barbel? So that's 3 chub, 2 from over there and 1 from here. Yeah, just a little small chub. 3rd one, but no barbel yet. So the chub are definitely about. Let's get him back. So I'm still trying over the farm margin. So I've just got a 3 ounce gripper lead. Just put on now a pellet, and I'm just fishing a PVA bag with 2mm pellets, and I've got 6mm cheesy garlic pellets at the top half. So 2mm and the larger pellets. That's just going on the hook. Trying to get some attraction over there. So I get some attraction over there with the pellet, and try and snatch a barbel from over there. But it is holding. If the river was any higher, I'd probably find it quite difficult. But it's holding over there. It's like another chub. Another little chub. Oh God. So that's 4 chub. Hopefully the barbel will come on. So I'll go and get him in and cast over there. certainly strange with this weather. This morning and all day it's been really warm. It's just gone a bit chilly. Just put a fleece on. So just starting to rain now. The sky's gone completely overcast. So as you can see, got the trusty brolly up. Rods are still out. One fishing over there, one just downstream. So hopefully on the back of them 4 chub, and with a bit of rain coming down, it might get the barbel to feed. But I'm hoping for I'm staying here for another couple of hours, coming into the late evening now, and hopefully pick up one of them barbel. But not the great conditions, but it's been a great day. First time back down here this season, so it's been good. Back on it. Well guys, it's certainly been a difficult one today, but like I says, it's my first outing, so not a blank, 4 chub, and hopefully I'll be down again quite not so long this time. So a few more different places to fish, and then hopefully on the next one I'll catch a few barbel. But it's been a long day, so I'm off home now. I've had a great day, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. So tight lines, be safe on the banks, and I'll catch you later.